Hello friends, welcome to Kids Learning World. So today we will learn to draw a beautiful and easy bedroom. So first we will draw a beautiful bed and two cute pillows on the bed. Or a beautiful heart in the middle like you. Now we will draw a bedside table. And a beautiful lamp on it. Now we will make a window with cute curtains. Now we will draw a cute cat. The cute cat is sleeping on the floor. A cute clock on the wall. Some tiny cute hearts.
Wow, let's start painting and coloring.
Light green color. Baby pink color. Red color. Dark green color. Orange color. Don't forget to subscribe. Yellow color. Blue color. Purple color. Dark pink color. Purple pink color. Red paint color in lamp.
Autistic,
blue color in window.
I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Dark pink color.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Yellow color. Dark green color. Brown color. In cute sleepy cat. Sky blue color. In a clock. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care and bye-bye.